Hi, it's Tom here at ep19.com with part one of a three-part video series on capturing data during an apartment audit. Let's get started with an overview of this data collection process. So step one is obviously to install Apartment Auditor on your mobile device. Step two, what you're going to do is capture basic information about the apartment. Get a picture of the apartment, find out how much the rent is, what the deposit is, as well as get contact information for the landlord. Step three, you're going to conduct a walkthrough of the apartment and capture information about each room and each space inside the apartment. So, of course, we'd be looking at living room, kitchen, bedrooms, bathroom. Step four, what we want to do during that interior review is capture every feature, good or bad, that stands out, especially the defects. So if we find any electrical problems, cracked mirrors, leaky faucets, etc., we want to note those. Step five, what we would do is do a quick review of what we call amenities or external features that are included with the apartment lease. Swimming pool, laundry room, workout facilities, etc. With all the data captured, we're now ready to start creating reports and discussing any defects or observations with stakeholders interested in our apartment rental. And those would be our spouse, a partner, a roommate, the landlord, of course. We want them to be aware of what we found. So let's move over to the device now and take a look at how we can capture step two here, basic information about the apartment and the landlord. Alright, so from the Apartment Auditor home screen, let's create this apartment, which we're going to call just Apartment by the Beach. I'm going to right to left swipe, and I'm going to provide two critical pieces of info that I need to uniquely identify this apartment. The first is the nickname, and that's simply, how do I want to refer to this apartment? This apartment is Apartment by the Beach, so that's what I'm going to put in. Hit the next button, and then for landlord, we'll just say the landlord's name is Ray. And we're good. We've got three sections here within the apartment and landlord info screen. I can provide landlord specific details by tapping on that button. I expand that section, and all of these are simple data entry fields. The one that's worthy to note here that might be a little bit different is the button that says date and time of visit. We're going to tap on that and just hit done, because that will time and date stamp then this visit, which is nice to have. Under cost and size, the middle button, I'm going to tap that, and I can put in a monthly rent of, let's say, $1,100, a size of 320 square feet, and Apartment Auditor has computed the cost there for me. We'll say the security deposit is the same as 1 month's rent. So I get a cost of $3.44 a square foot. This can be useful for if I'm looking at multiple apartments. Lastly, let's expand this section. We can put in some comments, just additional notes about the apartment that we might want to make sure we have recorded. So I'm going to use the dictation recording capability here. I'm going to tap the mic in the lower left corner. Refuse pickup on Tuesdays and Saturdays, period. Apartment office open Sundays from noon to 5, period. And there we go. We've got that recorded. Lastly, let's capture an image of the apartment, which I have on a secondary monitor here in my office. And I'm just going to take a picture of this for continuity purposes. Hit the back button. There it's stored. We can now hit save, and now the apartment is good to go. We've officially stored it. If I were to tap Apartment by the Beach and go landlord info, I'm going to find all the details that I just recorded. Let's hit save. Hey, we're done here. Thanks for watching.